This is cinnamon?
Yeah.
Why does it smell so not cinnamon? Whoa. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tway and welcome to a special edition of Making It Big, the show where my friends challenge me to make their favorite foods big. If you notice that my table here is a little warped, that's because we're filming everything in VR. I know, really, really cool. If you wanna watch the full VR episode, you can watch it with a Meta Quest 2 headset in Mega Tasty. That's our virtual cooking world within Horizon Worlds, or on Meta Quest TV. Today, I have a special, spicy guest.
Hello.
Hi. You guys, the Flavor Force Queen is in my kitchen. Thank you so much for blessing me with your presence.
Thank you for having me.
Happy holidays.
I have a very special challenge for you today. I know you're probably expecting something really spicy.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna lean sweet today.
Oh.
I think it's everyone's favorite dessert for the holidays. It is a cinnamon roll.
You want me to make it big?
I do. I want you to make the world's biggest cinnamon roll.
Oh my gosh.
The icing to dough ratio needs to be on point.
Okay.
So you know I like my sauce. Icing is like sweet sauce.
If I don't succeed, I will just get you one from the mall.
That's a decent consolation prize, but I believe in you.
Thank you.
I will see you soon.
I'll see you later.
All right, good luck.
Wow. Okay, let's make a big, giant cinnamon roll. I'm gonna start off by making the dough. So I have all-purpose flour here. And I'm also using whole wheat flour. This is going to help with the structure of the cinnamon roll. I have my sugar here. Oh, and by the way, this is only one batch of the dough. Some salt, ginger, and yeast. This dry mix. So this is 16 whole eggs. There's actually 32 in the recipe. A lot of butter in this recipe. And hey, I'm not mad at it. I love butter. I just feel like everything in life that's good is bad for you. And that's just not fair. I have my milk over here. Molasses. Oh, yeah. So this is a holiday recipe, and that's why we're using molasses to give it that, you know, extra holiday flavor. All right, and I think it's time to add the dry in. Working with this much dough kind of scares me because I just hope that it rises. For next season, can production get like a commercial mixer or what? Or are we just gonna continue to do this by hand? Ooh. I think I'm ready to put this out onto the counter. Here we go. So my dough is getting there, but in the meantime, Tiny Tway is here to entertain us with some facts. So let's hear it. So it was the Egyptians and the Romans that had the original sticky bun, but it was actually the Swedish and the German immigrants that brought their version of the sticky buns to America, and it wasn't until the 1950s where the cinnamon roll, as we know it, the one that I'm making now, was created and gained popularity. I think we are ready to go in the bowl. So while the dough is rising, I'm going to make the filling. Literally the best part of the cinnamon roll. So I have the basics here, the butter and the brown sugar.
A lot of butter.
Brown sugar here. And you can just like stop here, but like I want to make this special for Jing because I love Jing. So I have all these spices here for her.
Spice it up.
Molasses, ginger, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, 5 spice, cloves. I love that all these spices are the spices to make pho, but we're making cinnamon rolls. Imagine a pho cinnamon roll. I don't know if that sounds good, but like it's a possibility if it shares the same ingredients, right? There you go. Oh man, what a big boy. I think it's time for another ASMR. Listen. Wow. I have my filling here. Ooh. I'm just going to spread it all over this dough. Besides eating the cinnamon roll, this has to be my favorite part of making a cinnamon roll. The moment that I've been not looking forward to, because this can make or break my cinnamon roll. So usually with the regular cinnamon rolls, at this point you just cut this, put it on the tray, let it rise, but we're not making regular cinnamon rolls. We're making a big one, so I'm gonna continue to keep rolling. Oh. What I'm gonna do is cut this in half and just kind of like patch it, you know? I think it can only fit one more. I wanna leave a little room for it to expand. Let's bake this bad boy. Again, I have butter. What's new? This recipe just has so much butter. Cream cheese. And then I have my vanilla extract here and my salt, the powdered sugar. I have some milk over here that I'm going to just add in slowly. Got to taste test. Got to. Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. Let's crush up some cookies. I'm not angry, I promise. Oh yeah. I've never. Gorgeous. This is my big, giant cinnamon roll. I'm so proud. This is it. I'm really hoping to get Jing's approval, and I think she's here. Come on in, Jing.
Hi. Oh my God.
Okay, are you ready?
I think so, yes.
Okay, 3, 2,
Oh.
This is the giant cinnamon roll that you asked for.
Oh my God. It looks exactly like the cinnamon roll I gave you earlier, but giant.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
My...
You need some help? Are you? Oh. All right.
Thank you, culinary.
Take 2.
Take 2. Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord. Here we go.
Wow.
Here's your slice of cinnamon roll.
All right.
Cheers.
What I love is that it's not too dense, and you see how there's so many flaky layers. And with all the, the spices layered in between, that is exactly what I asked for and what I was looking for, so you did great.
Shall we take this home and finish it?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Need help carrying?
Yeah, let's
Okay. Let's do it. Wow. Wow.
I'll get the lights later.
Okay.